Hey everyone, today we are taking a first look at the brand new DJI Osmo Nano. This tiny camera is the true successor to the Action 2, and it comes packed with exciting features despite its small size. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about the Osmo Nano, including its design, key features, image quality, battery life, and special recording modes. If at any point you want to learn more or check out the Osmo Nano yourself, there are links in the description where you can do just that. The DJI Osmo Nano is incredibly compact, almost the size of your thumb. It weighs just 50 grams, which is much lighter compared to the Action 5 Pro, which weighs 146 grams. This makes it easy to carry and mount almost anywhere without weighing down your gear. The camera has magnets on two sides, so you can attach it to metal surfaces. And the flat sides allow it to sit steadily on a table without any extra support. The lens is removable, making it simple to replace if it ever gets damaged. On the top of the camera, there is a record button. When you press it, the camera automatically turns on and starts recording. And you'll see a small red indicator light to confirm that recording has begun. The Osmo Nano comes with two internal storage options. You can choose 64 gigabytes, which gives you around 85 minutes of 4,000 video, or 128 gigabytes, which allows up to 2 hours and 50 minutes of recording. If you need even more space, the storage can be expanded using the microSD card slot on the Vision dock. This makes it easy to capture long sessions or transfer footage without worrying about running out of memory. On the bottom of the Osmo Nano, there is a quick release plate, although the standard package doesn't include the mount itself. The good news is that it's compatible with Action 5 Pro mounts, or you can pick up DJI's dual direction quick release mount. This mount is highly versatile and also includes a standard quarter 20 thread, letting you attach accessories like a selfie stick. Along with the mounts, DJI includes several useful accessories. There is a magnetic lanyard pendant for discrete POV shots, a magnetic hat clip to attach the camera to a cap, a suction cup stand for table setups or windscreens, a ball head for adjusting angles, and a protective case to keep the camera safe. These accessories make the Osmo Nano highly adaptable for different shooting situations. One of the standout features of the Osmo Nano is the multifunctional Vision dock. It attaches magnetically to the bottom of the camera and features an OLED HD touchscreen. This screen gives you a live preview of what the camera is capturing, making it easy to frame your shots. You can also adjust recording modes, video resolution, and FPS directly from the dock. The Vision dock is detachable, so you can use it as a remote to monitor and control the camera from a distance. Right now, you cannot play back slow-motion footage directly on the dock, but DJI has planned a future firmware update to fix this. The dock also adds a microSD slot, allowing you to export footage directly and expand the camera's memory. The Vision dock itself weighs 70 grams, bringing the total weight of the camera and dock to 124 grams, still lighter than most traditional action cameras. Additionally, the side button on the dock is customizable, and it can charge the Osmo Nano to 80% in just 20 minutes, making it convenient for quick on-location charging. The Osmo Nano is equipped with a 1.3-inch sensor and offers an impressive 13.5 stops of dynamic range, the same as the much larger Action 5 Pro. This means you can capture bright and dark areas in the same shot with excellent detail. The camera can record video up to 4,000 at 60 frames per second, and for slow-motion footage, it supports 4K at 120 frames per second. You can adjust the field of view from standard DWRP, which minimizes distortion, to an ultra-wide 143-degree angle for more dramatic action shots. It supports both 16:9 horizontal and 9:16 vertical aspect ratios. The Osmo Nano also offers the color modes: 10-bit normal for vibrant footage, straight from the camera, and 10-bit DLOGM, a flat profile that preserves highlights and shadows for better color grading later. You can adjust sharpness and noise reduction within the settings, though the camera does not offer in-camera zoom for photos. The Osmo Nano can capture beautiful 35-megapixel images in JPEG or RAW format. It has an aperture of f/.8, which works well in bright conditions. There is also a dedicated night mode called Super Night that uses AI noise reduction. While this helps in low-light settings, extremely dark environments can still produce some noise and soft images. Overall, the Osmo Nano performs best in well-lit environments, making it ideal for daylight shooting, sunrise, or sunset scenes. The Osmo Nano comes with RockSteady 3.0 stabilization, which works well for walking, vlogging, and sports activities like cycling. It smooths out shakes and bumps while keeping the action feel in your footage. The camera also has horizon leveling, which can keep your shots level even if the camera tilts up to 30 degrees. There are several useful recording modes. Pre-record mode captures up to 5 minutes of footage before you press the record button, ensuring you never miss a spontaneous moment. Loop recording lets you continuously record for a set time, overwriting old footage automatically. You can also capture time lapses and hyperlapses, which are moving time lapses. For cinematic effects, gesture control is included as well. Using a headband or the hat clip accessory, you can start recording simply by nodding or tapping the camera. The Osmo Nano has an internal, non-removable battery. On its own, it can record for up to 90 minutes. When paired with the Vision dock, battery life extends to around 100 minutes. The dock itself can charge the camera to 80% in just 20 minutes, which is ideal when you are out on location and need a quick power boost. The Vision dock also supports fast charging, reaching 80% capacity in only 20 minutes. This makes it very convenient for longer shooting sessions without access to a wall outlet. The Osmo Nano can be paired with the DJI Mimo app. This allows you to preview your shots, adjust camera settings, and start or stop recording remotely from your smartphone. It makes controlling the camera much easier, especially when it's mounted in hard-to-reach places. The camera is waterproof up to 10 meters without any accessories, making it suitable for water-based activities. However, when the Vision dock is attached, the setup is only splash-resistant, so it should not be submerged. The Osmo Nano has built-in microphones with 2 levels of wind reduction, standard and high. For higher quality audio or when you are farther from the camera, you can pair it with DJI's wireless microphones, including the Mic 2, Mic Mini, or the latest Mic 3. These transmitters connect directly to the camera, without needing a separate receiver. Overall, the DJI Osmo Nano is a compact, versatile, and feature-rich action camera. It's perfect for anyone looking for high-quality video and photo capabilities in a small, portable form. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Don't forget to check the description below for links to learn more or purchase the Osmo Nano.